As the former leader of a militia group, I take no joy in saying this, but the Minutemen and the militias are doomed, and it's not for the reasons you think, okay? Is it because militia guys are fat? That's true, but that's not what it is. Is it the infighting? No, I mean, that's true, but that's not what it is. The decentralized nature of the militia Minuteman networks is what makes them strong. Is it the lack of training? Not really. You know, the training they do have is decent. Decent training. Is it the lack of numbers? No, the numbers are pretty good. In fact, you know, the overall Minutemen, you know, the people that are like doing training every weekend is probably higher than has ever been, really. The real reason the militias are doomed is because there's no militia drone program. Every armed group, paramilitary, state or non-state in the world has drones and is trying to expand their drone capabilities. Even like little militia groups in Africa are trying to make sure that they have drone capabilities. But for whatever reason, the Minutemen / militia people, 9 out of 10 of them that you talk to, they like the idea of a militia group having drones, but who's actually learning how to use drones? These guys file it away as, oh, somebody else will take care of it. Drones are the future of warfare. Drones are not just the future of warfare, they're already here, okay? They are a staple of modern warfare. And yet, how many militia groups have a serious drone program? Now, I understand making homemade boom boom drones is illegal, and I'm not telling anybody to do that. I would never get on a video and tell anybody to make homemade boom boom drones. But for the purposes of training, you could have a drone that activates a green LED light at the push of a button, and if you know how to complete an electrical circuit, you could simulate it in a training environment. Let me just put it that way. I'm no lawyer, but could you make a boom boom drone out of tannerite? Can you do that? I don't know. That's a question for a lawyer. The knowledge of merely knowing how to do something isn't a crime, okay? So if I have a drone and I have an electrical circuit complete and I have a green LED light that signifies that the electrical circuit has been completed, that's not a crime. This can all be done completely legally. So why isn't it being done? There's a lot of fat people in these militia groups, and I know people say, oh, you're one of them, but really when I was in my prime doing my militia stuff, I really wasn't that fat. You know, but the question has come up, what do you do with all these fat guys? I think you have your answer. Drone program. They need to be the drone operators. And so I'm not the leader of a militia group now, but if I was, I would say this. If you're fat and out of shape, you're going to be one of my drone guys. And it's your job to learn how to fly a drone. That's your job. And if you don't like that job that I've given you, you better lose some weight. And again, I'm not currently the leader of a militia group, but I know that there's leaders of militia groups that watch my videos, and basically, you know, I'm an advisor to them at some point. And I would say if you're running an organization and you got some fat guys and they just won't get right, they won't lose weight, they need to be their tech guy. They need to be your drone guy. And again, I'm not saying you should break any laws. I'm saying do this all completely legally. Okay, one is you need to know how to do basic reconnaissance using a drone. That's a completely legal skill to have. Okay, two, there's legitimate commercial reasons to have drones. Okay, so that's a way to generate revenue. Okay, we could be starting businesses with land surveying, aerial photography. Real estate agents want, like, you know, it could help make the YouTube videos better. There's good, peaceful reasons we should have drones as well. It could definitely be used for like homestead management and stuff like that. We'll go into that in a different video. That's a whole other video could go for that. But you could practice FPV tactics for when the SHTF happens. You know, I could basically have a Bluetooth speaker, and when I get close to you, I'll play "Never Gonna Give You Up." And if you're, you know, if you're close enough to hear that Rick Astley song, then you know that I got you. Right? Basically, I sneak the drone up close to you, and then you hear "Never Gonna Give You Up," and that's how you know that I've got you. You're close enough to hear the song, so you're close enough for me to blow up. And again, this is completely legal. Airsoft, paintball. I'm not advocating anybody do anything illegal here. Okay? Just LARPing, live action role play, airsoft, paintball. You know, the stuff that I do. But you better start taking your airsoft and paintball and LARPing a little more seriously, guys. And that's my advice. And We need to see more drones involved with this stuff, because that's one place you guys have not adapted. If I was still a militiaman, I would be terrified by the gap. The gap is widening every day. The world has moved on to drone warfare, and the militia movement has not caught up with that at all. You guys are sitting around worrying about those flock cameras. You could go out there and tear those things down in a day. Everybody could just go tear them down. It's no, the state legislature will probably tear them down anyway. Instead of worrying about flock cameras, you need to be worrying about how many cameras do you own? How many drones do you have? You need to be upgrading yourself. Upgrade your own capabilities. Stop worrying about what the government's doing. You can't really control what they're doing. Not in any meaningful way, okay? Stop worrying about the government, what they're doing. What are you doing? This is just food for thought, guys. That's all I'm doing, just giving you something to think about. If the militias can't get their act together, they're doomed. They have not kept up to date with how warfare is changing. The Minutemen, armed, prepared citizen, militia, whatever you want to call it, movement is not equipped to secure our freedoms and to protect us from tyranny unless it adapts to the changing times. And it's not adapting to those changing times as of right now. Let's make that change. Share this video with armed, prepared citizens. Share this video with Minutemen. Share this video with militia guys. Share this video with the guys you train with on the weekend. Do you have a drone guy on your team? How many drones do you guys have? Do you know all the capabilities of the drones that you have? And hopefully the ATF isn't listening, but do you know how to complete an electrical circuit? I mean, it's not illegal. There's an electrical circuit right there. That's called a light bulb. Okay, it's not illegal to complete an electrical circuit. I'm just saying, ATF, get off my ass, please. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Cherub, signing off.